Hey everyone, welcome to another video of BlogHunch. Today in this video, I'll take you through a new WordPress plugin that we have developed. This WordPress plugin will help you to migrate data from BlogHunch to WordPress. So here in my screen, we have a WordPress site open. This currently is a local site, but you can test it out in your production site as well. So this plugin is called BlogHunch WP. Once I activate this plugin, I can see the BlogHunch in the sidebar over here. Clicking on this will redirect us to this page where we have a very simple form. This only requires two input. One is the API key, another one is the BlogHunch site URL. So in order to get the API key, we need to get back to BlogHunch, go to the settings, and from there you will find the option for API. Now here what you need to do is, let's say that we are doing we are doing WP import data and generate the key. Once you generate the key, you will find the API key. Always make sure to copy it before clicking on OK or clicking outside, because this is a one-time item. It will not be displayed again for security concern. So once I click OK, this is done, this is saved. Now I can get back to this and paste it over here. Now the API key is done. The next thing we need to do is BlogHunch site URL. Now if I get back to BlogHunch again, and from there we'll go to settings and domains. Now over here you have two options, site subdomain and site domain. Site domain is when you put a custom domain, and site subdomain is always available by default, which you can change anytime you want from here. Now regarding this particular application, you always need to put your site subdomain, never use the site domain. So here is our site subdomain, which is stream. Now I copy it, bring it back over here, stream.myblogHunch.com. That's the subdomain BlogHunch site URL. Now once that is done, click on test connection and it is showing me connection successful. Now I can save my settings. Settings have been saved. Now before we import the data, let's take a look at the posts. Right now there is no post, no categories, no comments. It's a fresh WordPress site. If I get back to BlogHunch and scroll down, I'll find this option to start import. Clicking on this will start the import process, and this process is going to take some time based on the amount of data that you have in your BlogHunch site. And once the import is completed, it will show you a notification as well. So please make sure you wait for at least a minute or two in this page, considering the data that you have in your BlogHunch site. Alright, so I just scrolled down and found that imported 50 posts, imported 1 comments. So all this data is available with me now. If I go to the posts, I see all the blog posts have been imported. And if I take a look at the categories, this particular blog that we have imported data from, it did not have any categories, so there is nothing apart from uncategorized. If I take a look at the comments, yeah, I can see one comment that has been imported over here. Now if I take a look at visit site, I should be able to see all the posts that got imported. So these are all the posts that we have imported from our BlogHunch site to this WordPress website. So this is how easily you can migrate data from BlogHunch to WordPress. Now this link to download the plugin is available right in the description of this particular post, so you can take a look at it and download the file, set it up on your WordPress website and start importing the data.